Welcome to Insurance Overview. In this video we want to know about them. A little primer on UK personal loans. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Whether you need to take out a little private advance in the UK or you are hoping to take out a bigger credit that is more noteworthy than £25,000, there are numerous choices accessible in a wide range of organizations. The primary thing that one ought to do is to investigate the motivation behind why the credit is required and how long you will require it. If you want a huge credit, odds are the UK organization giving you the advance will permit you to have a bigger measure of time to reimburse the advance in any case. Yet, by and by, there are a few standards and decisions that one ought to contemplate before engaging with a UK individual advance. Some of them are good judgment, however, others of them are the credit principles in the UK, which many individuals ought to be aware of. The principal thing to think about while searching for a UK individual advance is the sum that you will require. There is a wide range of organizations that offer a portion of something very similar: fundamental advances. Be that as it may, these organizations are largely unique and do offer various bundles for your credit. For instance, on the off chance that you are acquiring just £1,000, you ought to experience no difficulty attempting to observe an organization that will provide you with this sort of unstable advance. For these kinds of advances, then you could presumably go to your nearby financier and request a credit application. Except if you have a horrendous credit history, then you shouldn't experience an excessive difficulty tracking down a nice APR. In any case, the APR, or annual percentage rate, is vital while thinking about an individual advance. Many banks will attempt to contend with different banks to get your business, so advance shopping is something to be thankful for to do, assuming that you are on the lookout for a UK individual credit. Additionally, you ought to likewise think about what season of financing cost you will get when you sign the papers for your credit. There are two fundamental kinds of loan costs: the proper loan fee and the variable loan fee. The decent financing cost will give you an APR that is steady over the lifetime of the credit. It won't change in light of installments or the market. In any case, a variable financing cost for your advance in the UK changes when the bank base rate changes. Many individuals deter attempting to get these sorts of UK individual advances just because you won't ever know what APR you will pay from one month to another. Yet, by and by, a variable financing cost is accessible for individual advances, assuming that is your inclination. For individual UK advances that are upwards of £25,000, contract organizations might have the option to assist. Many banks won't be too enthused about loaning somebody more than that sum, basically because a GOT individual advance will most likely be required. For advances that are £25,000 or more prominent, the GOT individual credit will most likely appear as a GOT credit from your home loan organizations. These advances will permit you to take out cash in light of the worth of the house. Many individuals in the UK now have these kinds of individual GOT credits, and they are additionally exceptionally famous. With everything taken into account, UK individual advances can be gotten from basically any bank in the UK. Yet, you ought to be proficient in the kinds of individual advances you can get as well as the terms related to UK individual credits that have been portrayed here.